Hello and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands. This week I'm going to show you how to make a lovely floral picture, perfect as a gift for Mothering Sunday. So I have two versions. I have a harder one for older artists, and that's as a videogram which is on the FE Art School feed. But in this video I'm going to show you how to make a little daisy flower which is perfect for our younger artists. Let me show you what you're going to need. So we've got a little bit of wet glue here, or PVA glue, and a paintbrush. We have a pair of scissors and a nice selection of coloured paper. So just pick whatever colours you want your flowers to be, but remember some green for a stem. And you might want some card as well to put your little flower on. And we're ready to start. So what I'm going to show you is how to do a little daisy flower, and this is perfect for our youngest of artists. Okay, so what I have here is some white paper, and these are for the petals. And I'm going to start by cutting out along the width of the paper here 5 nice big strips. So here we go, I've got my 5 strips here, and they're roughly about 2 fingers in width, okay? So what I'm going to do is set those to one side, and I've got a nice piece of green card here. So I'm going to set it on the table and put a little blob of glue in the centre of my page. And then I'm going to take each of my strips and just stick them into the centre. Just like that there, and it sort of looks like a big starfish. So I'm going to let that dry a little, and then I'm going to put another blob of glue into the middle. Not too much, because then it takes a long time to dry if you put too much. So now I've got them, it's dry, and I put a little bit more glue in the middle. I'm going to take one end and just fold it into the centre and keep this nice, like a nice loop here. Stick it down. I'm going to do that with the next one. You can see the nice loop, and then the third one, and go the whole way around. And there you go. You can see I've made a lovely little daisy flower. You can add more petals if you want. I just started with 5. And then what we need is a nice little centre for the daisy. So I've got some yellow paper here, and I'm going to cut a little circle out and stick it in the middle. And here we are. Here's a lovely little daisy flower. Now this is perfect for our youngest of artists, but if you want something a little more challenging, you can look at my videogram, which is also on the FE Art School feed, and you'll see I've created the same thing, only instead of using large thick strips, I've used skinnier strips. So strips that are more this size here, okay? And you'll see how to do that on our little videogram, and you can create a lovely bunch of flowers and use as many different colours as you want. And please do share either of your designs with us using the hashtag FE Art School. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!